Quiz.
Hey.
Pag tinatanong pala kayo ng mga tao kung ano daw yung ginagawa nyo, ano palang sinasagot mo?
Pindot-pindot lang.
Pindot lang.
Pero seryoso, natatanong siya kasi medyo mahirap na talaga explain. Depende kung sino yung kinakausap mo. You have to be very specific. For example, pag mga kamag-anak ko yung tatanong sa akin, marketing, sales, automation, pero you have to find a more layman's term na naiintindihan nila. So, ayan, ginagamit ko yung internet pag promote ng mga businesses. It's way more than that. The easiest kapag kausap mo yung actual na nasa same industry. Like ikaw ngayon, I can easily tell you na, okay, digital sales and marketing, automation, CRM. Magigets mo kung ano yun, di ba? Pero for most people, that's a little too jargon. It's something that's evolving. It's something that people might not understand right away what marketing automation means or sales or business automation. Pero it's all around us. It's an important part of our society pa.
Lately it's been really confusing. I just can't understand. You say that you're catching feelings, but I'm always left on red. Ooh, no. And every time we meet, nothing is off. Deep down I gotta say, I'm digging your vibe. Your vibe, there's something, it's the fact. You're switching up again. I don't know what's your move. Tell me, baby, what to do. Why are you messing with my mind? First you tell me that you're all mine.
Uy, kaya sir, pagdating nyo dito, anong una nyong ginagawa?
Pagkarating, syempre dapat, prepare mga gamit, open yung mga computers, check emails, check calendar. Pinakamalaga talaga, yung schedule mo syempre. Kasi if you're working digital, syempre remote, di ba? So mga taga-ibang bansa yung mga kausap natin palagi. A lot of times, travel sila sa ibang time zone. So, ayan. Pero pinakamalaga talaga nito is accountability. Hindi nila nakikita yung ginagawa natin eh. So, most of the time, they would realize, makikita nilang output sa matatapos natin. And with digital, nag-create tayo ng mga websites, mga blogs, mga creatives, mga videos. Kailangan mo din ng approval nila. So, maraming tools na ginagamit. Yung mga Google Suite, Microsoft productivity tools, and then, super importante yung mga project management tools.
Tapos online po yung meeting sa kanila?
Usually online, and Google Meet, Zoom. So, napaka-importante yung self-starter ka, yung may sarili kang disiplina, sarili mong oras, integrity talaga, tsaka yung initiative mo na get the job done.
Okay.
Hello, Kelly. How are you? Kelly, it's gonna be your birthday soon. What do you want for your birthday? Do you want to go somewhere?
Yeah.
Where?
Dream Kids
Dream-
in Manila.
Dreams Play? Okay.
Sa Okada yun.
In Okada? Okay. We'll try and find a ticket for that. Okay, hi.
I love you.
I love you. I love you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Kaya mo na.
Pero ako napagod sa inyo, Kuya Lesser.
Dahil ginagawa, no?
Dami nyo palang ginagawa eh. Buti napapagbigyan nyo pa ng pansin yung pamilya nyo, no?
Para sa akin kasi dapat yun talaga eh. Yun yung goal. Kung kahit anong trabaho mo, dapat strive mo na may time ka pa rin talaga sa family mo. Conscious effort mo dapat yun eh. Na kung puro trabaho ka lang, what do you do that for? Diba? Speaking of family, surprise ko kay baby ko mamaya. Kahit pa kumita ka ng malaki, kahit pa you achieve so much success, para kanino? Kung para sa sarili mo lang, I mean, if you're happy with that, that's fine. Pero for me personally, I'm doing this for my family, for my kids, my partner. Alala ko pala ng one time, yung third daughter ko.
Baby pa.
Punta kami ng isang hotel doon sa La Union. Tapos, tanda ako yun. Sabi niya kay Belle, kay wife ko, Mommy, thank you for bringing us to this beautiful place. Ano talaga eh, speechless kami.
Na-appreciate niya.
Oo, na-appreciate niya na yung ginagawa namin para sa kanila.